Welcome back, guys. Continue to enjoy today's video. Stay safe.
What the fuck was that?
Please say again.
You're on camera.
So at this point, that's what the information they're working with. This still remains a very active scene. They have to shelter in place. So all these folks who live in these buildings right here, most of them have not been able to come out since this has happened, because they're not even letting cars leave some of these parking garages.
Watch it.
She throws a bag and Bible in the backseat.
Is that an eagle?
While she listens to the 14 miles from home.
I like those. I like that. Yeah. Like little. Damn, what the hell? Oh, shoot! Oh my God! Holy fuck.
Would you like to watch a series of videos: car crashes, road rage, hit and run, brake check, bad drivers, and instant karma? Join now our Patreon. What are the benefits from us? No pesky advertisements, access to patron-only content, monthly between 10 and 15 videos, 8 minutes 12+ minute videos, bonus footage, a special credit in the upcoming videos, and more things. Link in bio. Join now. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.
Light's still red, buddy.
Yeah,
Still red. Good one. Good one. Yeah, just go. You're already under the freaking light. Oh, man.